Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you guys are all doing well, and what I'm going to be showing you guys in this tutorial video is how you can close your Amazon shopping account. You might want to do this for several reasons. Possibly you don't want your information out on the internet if your information has been compromised. Possibly you've just grown tired of Amazon and just no longer want it. Whatever the reason is, this is how you close your account. Now, as you can see, I am currently on the web browser version, and I'm going to be using this for this tutorial. I'm pretty sure you cannot do this on the mobile version, so just stick to your PC for this one and everything should be okay. Now, as you can see, I am on the front page of Amazon on my web browser, and what you want to do here is navigate to the close your Amazon account. This is under privacy, and for the life of me, however hard I tried to actually find it from the homepage, I could not manage it. I found the link through a third-party site. However, if you don't want to, you can just go to www.amazon.com/privacy/data deletion. Once you're here, you will be brought to this page. As you can see, this says close your Amazon account, and you will need to read through this just to be in the loop of everything. Pretty much it just says that you're going to be permanently closing your Amazon account and you won't be able to use any services anymore. Now, as you can see, these are all the services you will lose access to, such as Amazon, Web Services, Business, Associates, Flex, Prime, and so on and so forth. Now, once you list through all of this, you will see all of this information, which you do need to read through. And down here, you just want to select your reason, click yes, I want to permanently delete my Amazon account, and then click close my account, and your account will be gone. I won't be doing this since I still want my account active, but that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.